Hi, so this is a quick tutorial to set up your schedule as a Google slide on your class page, something like this. So it's easy for parents to access and beyond also being able to see and access, we're going to embed links to your Zoom meeting, your personal meeting space in these here. So how do we go about doing that? So the first thing you want to do is go to the Google slide deck that I think that all of you have that has a template for the schedule. I'm just going to use this one for now and go up to, and there's lots of other slides in that. You're going to go up to File, make a copy, and choose just the selected slides. And you can call it give it a name. And click OK. And that's going to create a new Google slide with just that one slide on it. So once we've got that slide there, we're going to go to Zoom, and it's easier here if you log in on the browser-based version and go to meetings, go to your personal meeting room. And you may already have this, but this is the URL for your personal meeting room. The advantage of using this for all of your meetings is this link is sort of always active. And instead of having to schedule meetings particular times, you can use this. And if you set the meeting in your settings so that enable the waiting room, that when families, if they get there a little bit early, they can't actually join the meeting until you enter that meeting. So you're going to take this URL and we'll go back to the classroom here, and I'm just going to click into the slide. Here we go. And I'm going to select the text. I'm going to make it a hyperlink. I'm going to paste that link in. I'm going to hit apply, and then this text turns into a hyperlink. I'm just going to copy it, and for the other cells here, I'm going to paste them. So I could do that, and I'm going to do the same thing for the closing meetings, or however you're adjusting your schedule where there's a meeting, keep the text that's there. And now I have the slide with these built-in links. And then I'm going to want to go up to File, go down here to Publish to the Web, and click Publish. Click OK. And what we want to grab is this code. It looks a little bit scary, but it just basically will tell a web page to put that slideshow in the page. You can keep these settings all the way they are. So we're going to select all that text. We're going to copy it. And now we're going to go back to a class page. And here we'll just choose this page. And I'm going to, this area here that has the Instagram for your class, it's made for these embed codes. So we're going to click on Enter Edit Mode. And the page will load. And we'll click down to the block here where it says Embed. And then we're going to click on the pencil icon. And we'll see there's some similar code here. The code that's already in there is what generates the Instagram feed. And I'm just going to go to the top here, and at the top, because I still want people to know what this is, I'm going to type whatever the title is that's up here on Instagram, hit a return, and then I'm going to place my cursor in at the beginning of that, and I'm going to paste, and then it's going to paste in the code that I had copied for the slideshow. And the one change I'm going to make is look for where it says width 960 and just change that to 100%. And then I'm going to, and I can then delete this text and replace it with our schedule. And then I'm going to click save. And I can then go back, and if I go back to the bulletin board, I'm going to see that schedule embedded in here. And you can see these are active links. They're both the same links, so those will take you to your personal meeting room. And obviously you'll schedule those wherever you want. And I might just, I mean, here it's fine. If you're this block, I would put somewhere sort of just under your announcements so it's easy to see. And that's basically it. And anytime, oh, the other thing is that if somehow you decide you want to make some changes to your schedule, all you have to do is just go back to that Google slide, and any changes that you make here. So for example, suppose I just said this was maker time, and it might take a second. I don't see if that will refresh. But we'll go back to the class page, and if I reload that page, we should see that that change has now been made in that schedule. So you don't have to worry about anything on the page now. Everything's happening on that Google slide. So that's basically that, and good luck with all your Zoom classes.